'Di ba? You study every day but your scores don't improve. Bakit kaya? Nabigawan ko kayo ng magandang example. So you might spend hours reviewing for example yung pharmacology, no? Okay, high yield concept kasi yan. Yet when you take practice tests, you still miss medication related questions, 'di ba? Or maybe you know the content, like for example, pagdating sa cardiac disorders, but when the question ask for priority interventions, ayun, ligwak, mali ang sagot, no? This is part of the NASHA NCLEX Premium and Advanced Review Program po, no? We created this program po for nursing graduates who want a smarter, more effective way po to prepare for their NCLEX RN exam. So, ang approach po dito, sabi dito, di ba, personalized, focused, and outcome-driven, di ba? So, giving you the tools and strategies po to think critically and succeed po on your exam day. Kasi ang trending po ngayon sa NCLEX, no, they want, the Board of Nursing want to measure po yung paano po mag-critical thinking po yung mga nurses natin. Okay, so let me just introduce myself first. I am Professor EJ Santiago. So with my background po as a nurse, educator, and experience po in both clinical practice and NCLEX preparation, I focus on strategies that truly work. Okay, based po sa mga feedback po and outcomes po natin sa mga NCLEX passer natin, ano? And I hold a Master of Science in Nursing po and multiple certifications. And I've helped countless nurses po succeed through structured, practical, and results-oriented review sessions. So, if you are ready to prepare with confidence and precision, itong programa na to ay para sa'yo. Alright. Sige po, so ituloy natin, no? So nakikita nyo po, nurses, no? Okay, ang dami po namin magagandang feedback when it comes to licensing, and sa review po namin, ang dami po namin mga testimonials. So, mag-legit check kayo, pwede, no? You can feel free to visit our website po, 'di ba? Para makita nyo talaga, marami kami mga videos dyan, meron kaming account sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook, na kung saan talaga po yung mga USRN natin, ano, nagbigay ng testimonial. So, very soon kayo na yon, di ba? Yes, i-claim na natin yan. Alright, sige po, let's proceed. Ito po kasi yung problema ngayon, ano? Okay, here's the problem many NCLEX candidates face. Di ba? You study every day but your scores don't improve. Bakit kaya? Nabigawan ko kayo ng magandang example. So you might spend hours reviewing for example yung pharmacology, no? Okay, high yield concept kasi yan. Yet when you take practice tests, you still miss medication related questions, 'di ba? Or maybe you know the content, like for example, pagdating sa cardiac disorders, but when the question ask for priority interventions, ayun, ligwak, mali ang sagot, no? So, okay lang yan, no? Okay lang yan. Delay success, probably. But you start, and pagdating dito, no, you start feeling unsure about your readiness, di ba? Parang tinatanong mo, kailan ba ako magiging ready to take the NCLEX? To tell you honestly, hindi mo masasabi talaga yun sa sarili mo. Kahit gaano ka-prepare talaga. Kasi ako, sa sarili ko, hindi ko nasabi na ready na ako to take the NCLEX, di ba? So, ganun po talaga. So, pagtutulungan natin yan. And worse, 'di ba, yung confidence natin bumababa and you keep repeating the same mistakes, 'di ba? So this is not about how much content you have, it's about how you apply po what you know under the exam conditions. That's why the NCLEX RN Precision Review na itong programa na to focuses po on critical thinking, strategies, no? Test taking techniques and real world application po, and not just memorization. Kasi po ini-encourage ko po talaga na wag po magme-memorize, please lang, no? Kailangan intindihin nating mabuti. Bawal po ang memorization dito. Alright, sige, tuloy natin. Why do so many NCLEX candidates fail? Bakit kaya, no? It's not because they did not read enough, but the common reasons are deeper, no? Sabi dito, weak clinical judgment po and poor critical thinking lead to what? Lead to wrong answers, no? Even when you know the content. For example, you might memorize the disease process, but struggle pa rin po to decide which patients need attention first. 'Di ba? Ganyan atake ni NCLEX eh. So next yung poor prioritization and delegation is another big issue po, nurses, no? Oo. So questions often ask who to assign task to, no? And many candidates po ay nagkakamali pa rin. So ano pa ang sabi dito? Misreading po the question stem is also common. 'Di ba? Hindi talaga masyadong na-gets yung tanong. Ano ba talaga hinihingi ng tanong? 'Di ba? Is it looking for a positive or negative statement? Or nami-miss po natin yung mga keyword like initial, priority, no? Which completely changes the correct answer, no? And then there's the lack of clear study direction, jumping from topic to topic without a strategy, no? Okay, kung trip ko lang ngayon, mag-OB ako, mamaya bigla ako magpepedya, no? Kung kailan mo lang trip ko, ano lahat, trip mong aralin. Hindi po ganon. Hindi po ganon. Dapat po meron pong study strategy po tayo. And reading more does not fix these problems, nurses. Tandaan po natin. Ang kailangan natin, structured approach that builds judgment, build critical thinking, prioritization skills, delegation, and for you, 'di ba, dapat safe nurse ka, no? At isama na natin diyan yung mga test taking strategies, no, na matututunan po natin dito. And with that being said, ito po yung solution, 'di ba? The NASHA NCLEX review program po is designed to give us the clarity and direction po in just one session. So magsisimula po tayo saan, no? Meron tayong ganito, nurses. No, meron tayong diagnostic-based review to identify your weak areas. So hindi tayo nagsasayang ng oras at panahon sa mga topic na alam mo na, 'di ba? And then we provide po a targeted coaching po to address those gaps and build your confidence. Napaka-importante po niyan. So anxiety management kasama rin diyan, 'di ba? And you will get po a personalized study plan that fits your learning style and schedule. And most importantly po, we teach strategies focused on how the NCLEX thinks, no? Kung paano mag-isip si NCLEX, 'di ba? Because sabi nga, passing is not just about memorizing the content, it's about understanding the test. So, sabi dito, 'di ba, one session po can change your approach and set you on the right path, 'di ba? Okay na okay po tayo diyan. So, i-walk through ko po kayo dito sa program flow po namin. So, you know exactly what to expect, 'di ba? Transparent kasi tayo dito eh, no? So, we start with intake and goal setting. So, ito makakatulong sa atin na maintindihan natin yung timeline. Kailangan meron tayong target na pagdating ng after 6 months or ilang months mag-NCLEX na ako. So gagawin natin, bibigyan natin ng structure yan, 'di ba? And your challenges i-address natin. Pati po yung target exam date natin pag-usapan na natin, 'di ba? So parang at the end of this year or this 2026 USRN tayo, 'di ba? And next we use a rapid diagnostic questions to pinpoint your weak areas. For example, if you are struggling po with prioritization or pharmacology, so we will identify po that right away dun sa session natin. Then comes a targeted content coaching where we focus only po on what you need, not what you already know, no? After that, ano po yung next? We dive into test-taking strategies. Napaka-importante po niyan. 'Di ba? Yung tipong kahit di mo alam yung concept, kayang-kaya mong lumaban sa mga tanong. 'Di ba? Mayroon tayong elimination na gagawin. So, intindihin natin mabuti. 'Di ba? How to break down those tricky questions po. Avoid traps and think like the NCLEX. 'Di ba? And finally po, we create a personalized study plan that fits your schedule and learning style. Okay? Sabi dito, the duration po is flexible. Yan. For sure yan. So you get the support that you need without feeling rush. 'Di ba? Okay. So, pag-usapan naman natin itong uh, key focus areas po of your review. Based po kasi on your diagnostic results, we will concentrate po on the topics that matter most for passing the NCLEX, yung mga high yield, no? Ang daming concept. Pero pag aaralan natin, yung talagang madalas itanong na concept, di ba? And this includes something like this, management of care, like handling multiple patients, and making safe decisions. Nandiyan din po yung prioritization and delegation, di yan mawawala, which is critical po for answering who do you see first or who gets the task. Something like that. Yung mga tanong, di ba? Safety and infection control, nako, because these are frequency topics on the exam. Di ba? So we will also cover nurses, yung mga pharmacology, favorite nyo ba yan? No, i-cover up natin yung mga red flags. Di ba? So you know which drugs require immediate action. Nako, magaling manlito si NCLEX. Okay? And laboratory values, although hindi tayo nagme-memorize, pero yung trends, at least, pwede tayo mag-interpret ng results accurately. 'Di ba? And finally po, case-based clinical and critical judgment, which is the foundation po nitong next generation NCLEX po natin. So, every session po is tailored po is tailored to your needs. So, you're not wasting time po on what you already know. 'Di ba? Okay na okay tayo dyan. So, i-introduce ko po sa inyo ito. Okay, let me introduce this review program. Okay, ito po yung program 1 po natin. This program po is perfect for application or for applicants who are just starting the NCLEX process, no? Still waiting for the approval and haven't scheduled or haven't scheduled po yung exam nila. So, ano po ang makukuha natin dito? Ayan po, ano? Meron po tayong on-demand recorded classes po so you can learn at your own pace. Okay, meron tayong mga comprehensive topic discussions for deep understanding po and a readiness assessment practice test to measure your preparedness. We also include computer adaptive practice tests that simulate real NCLEX conditions plus ang sabi pa dito detailed, no? Meron po tayo niyan, detailed performance reports using the next generation NCLEX framework po. So, you will have a live interactive sessions, not twice a month. Yeah, no? Ganda niyan. Twice a month for a direct guidance and one final group coaching sessions po focus on exam readiness. On the top of that, you will receive personalized academic support tailored to your study needs, no? Kung may mga challenges, no? May mga nahihirapan, no? Abuli natin yan. Okay? Unlimited access to all review materials. Nako, di mo na kailangan bumili pa ng kung ano-ano dyan. Kasi masama po yung masyadong maraming resources, no? Focus lang tayo sa ipo-provide natin and then you're good to go. 'Di ba? At ang sabi dito, flexibility to study anytime, anywhere, until you pass. 'Di ba? So all of this for a review fee for only 5,000 pesos, no? If you want to ace the NCLEX with confidence and get it in one take, this program po ay para sa iyo. 'Di ba? So ituloy natin, no? Introduce ko rin kayo dito sa bagong programa po namin. Ito yung Advanced Review Program. Designed naman po to for applicants who already have their ATT and have scheduled their NCLEX exam. And this program runs within 3 months, no? At structured po yan for maximum impact talaga. Talagang babrasuhin na natin yan. So each session po, it lasts 2 to 3 hours, no? Gagawin po natin ito once or twice a week depende sa pangangailangan ni student with a total of 8 sessions per month, 'di ba? Meron tayong interaction, talagang magbi-brainstorming tayo, 'di ba? Magandang style 'yun ng learning, no? Aside from that, ito po yung included sa atin. We have a one-on-one rationale discussion sessions po starting 3 months before your exam. Iwo-walk through ko kayo, no? Meron tayong walkthrough sessions 2 months before and calibration sessions 1 month before. Ang focus niya no more on building your confidence and accuracy, 'di ba? So 2 to 3 weeks before your exam, nako, meron kayong intensive 4-hour final coaching session to sharpen your readiness. Okay? And you will also get access to created question banks with 85 items hanggang 150 item sets, no? Meron kaming ganyang platform dito. 'Di ba? Designed po 'yan to mirror the actual NCLEX difficulty levels at perong NGN style yan, no? Mga case scenarios, 'di ba? Yun yung dapat nating mahasa tayo dito, no? Okay, nurses, ang programa na to is all about precision naman and timing. And the review fee po is only 11,000 pesos po, napaka-affordable. Kompleto rekado, wala ka nang hahanapin pa, 'di ba? If you are scheduled and ready to pass it one take, ulitin ko, this program po ay para sa iyo, 'di ba? All right, sige po. Sige, let's move on. Okay, so para po ba kanino itong programa na to? No, it's designed po for the first time NCLEX takers who want to start a strong and avoid common mistakes. It's also for repeat test takers po natin, yung mga na-delayed yung success natin, no? O, ganun ko sila tinatawag, eh. Delayed success lang yan, no? Yes, na may kailangan po ng bagong approach after struggling with previous attempts. 'Di ba? So, if you are working naman like a nurse with a limited time, itong program po na ito gives you a flexible sessions po and focus strategy so you can study effectively without sacrificing your schedule, 'di ba? Oo. And if you are internationally educated nurse, we will help you bridge the gap and adapt to NCLEX standards, of course, no? No matter what your situation, we will give you po the tools and direction po to pass with confidence, 'di ba? Okay. Okay 'yan. So, ano man, no? Now is the time to take action. So, enroll today and start studying with directions. No, stop wasting po dun sa mga random reviews and guesswork na 'yan. Di tayo matutulungan po niyan, no? This is your chance to become a USRN ngayong 2026, ha? I-make sure na natin 'yan. Yes. Our programs po are designed to give you clarity, confidence, and results. Promise, no? Walang sugarcoating yan. Plus, you can now access everything through the Nasha Business Consultancy Services mobile app. Kami lang meron yan. Available sa Play Store at sa App Store natin. 'Di ba? Applying for international licensure has never been this convenient talaga. 'Di ba? So ano pang iniintay nyo, no? Nurses, secure your spot and start your NCLEX journey now. So next time kayo naman yung magte-testimony, 'di ba? All right. So ayun lang naman po. Maraming salamat for the time, no, to learn about the NCLEX RN Precision Review and our programs. So once again, I'm Professor AJ Santiago, your nurse educator dito sa Nasha NCLEX Review Hub natin. Ang mission po natin is to guide you toward passing the NCLEX with confidence and clarity, di ba? Tulad na sinabi natin kanina. So if you have a questions or need support, you can reach us dito po sa support@nasha.ph for updates naman and resources, no? Naku, napaka ano po namin, welcoming namin, no? Wala kaming hindi sinasagot. Talagang very proactive kami sa mga queries na yan. Visit nyo rin po yung Facebook page po natin at facebook.com/Nasha Business. And that's it. To God be all the glory. And I look forward to helping you achieve your goal of becoming a USRN po. God bless everyone.